You looking good, why don't you jump in my Mercedes? We'll take a trip, I'll spend some cash, I'll drive you crazy. If you don't then we can go half on a baby. Please don't say maybe.
Off the gate, she was straight, could not wait for the sex. She this dime had a mind plus a body that wrecks. Used to call me in the morning just to see what was up. We chit chat about this and that, but I never got the seen her strut through the mall and slant eyes like Taiwan without speaking. Got me peeping timing on the weekends. What should I do? I asked you, then pushed up. Kick some about she a virgin and a ain't been touched. I'm intrigued. 24 years with no weave made Steve. Shake them other tricks off my sleeve. Now we spending lots of time and conversating on the phone. I'm ready to but who got me waiting? Talking about we need to really take it. Get to know the intellectual before the sexual. It's all good, cause I ain't got nothing but time. But you can jump in my Benz, let the seat recline. Pretty lady.
Hey, pretty lady. You looking good, why don't you jump in my Mercedes? We'll take a trip, I'll spend some cash, I'll drive you crazy. If you don't, then we can go half on a baby. Please don't say maybe.
Sleeve, hold up, don't bleed. You got me tripping off this way that you be dipping. All up in and out the club, you need a what you saying? Brown hair, brown eyes, 5'2" with a bang in his body. Can't get more Mexican than you. Straight one hit a quitter. You make this fella forget her. The pretty kitties at home, cause you the pick of the litter. Now I'ma be chillin' at the back of the club, tomando limon y corona and smoking it up. 5 minutes with Scooper, then you falling in love. And I gotta carry y'all back, baby, that's sitting on dubs. Now I can tell you know the game, but I wait you hold your stash at the Central American funk. Say easy on that. Make it last like Keith, going all night long. Chasing and catching the cat, then removing the thong is gone. Dominican to Puerto Ricans, we be freaking. To Mexican and Salvadorians that keep me twicking. From ticas to nicas, Guatemaltecas, Brazil. And all them other pretty Latin ladies, keeping it real. Pretty lady.
Hey, pretty lady.
Mami.
You looking good.
¿Cómo se llama? Ven aquí. Llama ese culo cuadrado, por favor.
The trife life for living famous. Busting shots, live is dangerous at midnight. We do it right in clear blue light. The trife life, living rough, wearing handcuffs like bracelets. 25 to life, he faced it. Got on the run and got wasted. Mad agony, having me more vexed. Got me pulling out checks on opposite sex. The cream got me fiend for massive bill schemes. Like doing drive-bys and stretch limousines. I got tons of guns. My niggas on the run, pack the nickel-plated ones. Get the cheddar, however done, cause niggas got dreams. Claiming king with the drug sling. Got they brain trained just to sling cocaine continuously. Seriously, my brain blunted. The lie done it. We make it hundreds, that's all we wanted. To see my ill mean team, singing cream. The infamous coming out of Queens. Yo, check it.
Yo, it's the P, me and the YD. We put the cheddar together so we can double the OZs and grow like some family trees and beanstalks. Some hustlers, naturally born with street smart. Show karate, it's you and Gotti. Yeah, lift the weight, me and Noy. Attempt star it down on the plate. The mob niggas living wild outside of New York State. The 5 gates, for niggas shook, just let them shake while a coke bake. Chef trip, cook a bowler over the shoulder. With wonders with the hand and pot holder. Solo whiskey rolled over, rapping Noy taking over. You crossed over, then you got bucked in October. November, December, came out the hospital keyed up. Paralyzed from your feet up, now slow your speed up.
So recognize and realize I'm not the nigga lie. On the side of me, prodigy, on the strength of who he be.
So recognize and realize I'm not the nigga lie. The B-I-G-N-O-I-D, he ripping constantly.
I stay cool and cautious, but ask the sources. My non-tourists hit bosses, lieutenants, whoever's in it. Once the main man drop, I got it locked. To take it on, why not? Don't let that nigga know he get the drop. I'm coming steady, heavy, ready to murder, pulling triggers. Soon to be famous, dangerous type of nigga. I'm type crucifix, definitely true to this. The natural born hustle, lyricist, no finessing it. Used to hustling, tussling, busting niggas wide open. No joking, like Rakim, you must be smoking. The fuck around with this, you try to compare, you didn't hear that nigga know it's extraordinary. Nigga, what?
Pioneer, this extraordinary rap flow. Sneak deep, my mom style, get clapped at your rap show. We formulate justice, debating like some politicians, and come together like some coalitions in position. I see my huddle, your scheme was too subtle. I cruise, cross pass, your whole squad face get bubble. Looking for trouble, phrase so you found a couple. Me and rapping noise blasting off like NASA space shuttle. Prodigy, my powers refined, now they erupting. Time for climax. Small cats, what is you touching? Too complex. Your man got slapped just off a reflex. Learn from his mistakes to avoid from being next. Holiday thugs occasionally act like thugs. Battery backs with alkaline and Duracell mugs. Ayo, noise, these niggas must be on some powerful drugs.
Hold up, hold up. So recognize and realize I'm not the nigga lie. On the side of me, prodigy, on the strip for who he be.
So recognize and realize I'm not the nigga lie. The B.I.G. N.O.Y.D. He rip it constantly.
So recognize and realize I'm not the nigga lie. On the side of me, prodigy, on the strip for who he be.
So recognize and realize we ain't the niggas lie. The B.I.G. N.O.Y.D. He rip it constantly.
With no doubt, 9 pounds. We get down,
We're rapping on.
Prodigy on the side of me.
Rapping on. We're rapping on.
Prodigy.
We're rapping on
the side of me. Prodigy.
So
on the side of me.
Is it ill? Do it need to be fixed? That shit is real, done. Stop talking like your skills don't kill. Nah, it's just that sometimes I feel like that. I could write more foul than the lad. Yo, that shit is cash, trust me, done. I'll never lead you astray. Take my word, niggas wanna hear how you think. It be that shit that you wouldn't expect to win. That stay playing in they decks over and again. Speak your thoughts, put your all in it. Whatever's in your mind, spit it. Place your angle on the page, release tension on the tape, a stress verse. Seen to be what they most thirst. Makes fake niggas disperse and never challenge balance. And the weakness is what I specialize in. Don't you my nigga cause you keep me hype while I'm writing. Kept me on point in the night when it might go down. Keep my eyes wide in the daytime as well. Kept me focused on what's real and nothing else. I find it healthy to conversate with myself. I kick it with my doubt. I kept you alive all these years. It's that inner voice you should've took heed to and shit. Could've been home instead of bleeding. Maybe next time you listen when it speaks. Yo, done, I got a story to tell. Remember last week's mission? I told you bring the gun. Yeah, nah, listen, without me you be a memory. I'm the one you could come to for guidance. Bring you home alive when you wildin'. Kept you out of harm's way. Told you when to spray. Told you when it's time to put it away. And when the cops came, you were safe. Without question, I stay aware, done. I'm listening every time we speak is real. I know your intentions is to make sure we both safe and living and breathing. Gets all respect from me, done. Believe it. We got kids to raise and bills to pay. Enemies to lay down when they stand in our way. It's only us. What about the click? Now if you die, is they coming when you shot? Do they feel the bullet? And when you broke, can they fix it? Alright then, you keep writing and let me do the thinking. I brought us this far without mistaking.
Voices in my head from choices that I dreaded choosing. Courses I should've took heed. Lost in my weed, steady losing. Thug stripes, badges of honor. Forced to succeed. Horse on their knees, fucking with millionaires. Killers and thieves. I fucked them till there's no feeling where I bust and I pee. I lusted cars, but I suffered and my scars run deep. I stayed to myself one deep. Pray to my God, cause he say when it's hard, get on one knee and ask die for forgiveness. Fuck the cash, the ice. Ferraris with 220 on the dash when your life ain't right. See niggas smile up in your face and stick a knife in your back. Snake shake a hand and got a stick up in your wife back. Why is it like that? It's life black. This is the game. The way I see it, both bitches and niggas is the same. I trust myself. I can't fuck myself. When hoes leave and no weed, I still know me. Just myself. Fear's weakness. Learn from what experience teaches. Beware leeches. They vampires. My secrets never follow. Cause most niggas are straight up cowards. Take care of my body's the temple. My mind is the power.
Lyrically inclined, nigga very fine, I'm abstract. My flow is unstoppable. Raining lyrics like it's croppable, I'm on top of you. Seeing shit that got your latitude amazed, it makes me so amazing. I got your girl gazing, into my eyes I hypnotize, I got your show, they changing. Switching styles like a he become a she, you know the motto. Best things in life is free, my flow a G to the sunrise. You gotta realize I'm on that shit that make your niggas on to a zone, I see it disguise, I can't explain it. The beats that make me flip her to her back, they call me Ripper, aka sometimes the niggas call me Jack, you know it's like that. Forever got you open like a soldier, Cap Kruger beats, that's this amazing merger. Word the mother, this is how I do. Every day, all day. This is how we do it. Every day, all day. All day and all night. Check it. This is how we do it, kid. Gotta keep it tight. Check it. Yes. Yes. Every day, all day, check it. It's type slick, inflict the pain on the ignorant. Shedding light to all the negative, make them degenerate. Dissolve them, make them disappear, make them reappear. Instead of drinking beer, had the niggas take this knowledge here. Run and tell a pair, spread it everywhere. That the nigga cap is on that server shit like Mr. Belvedere. I can't control the hole I got on the mic, cause it's dynamite, you know the Cobra style. Make that nigga stay a while, pull the fouls out the cabinet to get it fresh up. Just a reminder of the bullshit that had me stressed up. I'ma take a breath so you can catch up. My shit is swift, I got the gift of Santa Claus ain't seen yet. Don't even river back talk. I'm kicking shit you need to feel and process. Contrary to the pork, my shit is good to digest. Invest your time, stripping power, nigga, get my shit heard. Guarantee you see this change in this game, I give my word. This is how I do. Every day, all day. This is how we do it. Every day, all day, yes. All day and all night. This is how we do it, kid, gotta keep it tight. Word up, this is how we move it, 967. Convert this rap game into a fresh breath of heaven. Been rockin' since the age 11. It took a deck to get set. I got the niggas at the top feeling threat. I never met another MC quite like the Cap KP. Originality is what they lack in allergy. All my shit is actually life living comprehension. The Christian last in the picture, all this fake invention. I can't forget to mention all this rap pollution. I'm like a Mercury, call me Harald the Absolution. You finally got the fast solution to this thug drama. You finally got some shit to listen to in front of mama. The karma separates me from the niggas that be rhyming. You always see it light because the difference got me shining. I'm like a bulletproof lining, I can't die. You know my spirit got you open, niggas can't lie. All you imitators imitate, you could try. But when you do it, nigga, do it fly. Word up, this is how I do it. Every day, all day. This is how we do it. Every day, all day. All night and all day. This is how we do it, kid. Every day, all day. One time for your mind. This is how we do it when we run it down the line. All day and all night. This is how we do it, kid. Gotta keep it tight. One time for your mind. This is how we do it when we run it down the line. All day and all night. This is how we do it, kid. Gotta keep it tight. One time for your mind. This is how we do it.
Heat is caught, scorched like flames. Robbing motherfuckers for the terrain. Chains, sneaks, everything I see I heat seeks. The verbal avenger, stealth assassin ninja. My world's all I see. No bitch ass niggas allowed around me. A fatality, advanced technology. Stick 'em, stash 'em, dust 'em, bust 'em and blast 'em. You're still trying to select the game. You're a chameleon collecting game, blending in the stain. You're in it in the Vietnam, talking living. Stop, cock the Glock or get rocked off your pivot. I'm in this shit from the cradle to the grave, dawg. I didn't mean for his chest to fucking cave, dawg. Soon as we flew in, I knew a frame was blew in, broken, blew the fuck open.
No matter what you do, no matter where you go, I'm right behind you, creeping up on your fast. That's why it's so easy to find you, looking for any reason to hold up and put the shine to your head, so you can remember who you were lying. No matter what you do, no matter where you go, I'm right up on you, creeping up on your fast. That's why it's too late to warn you, taking it to your feet before you even reach the corner. Too late to warn you, too late to warn you.
Yeah, Southside till I D.I.E. Me and that pimp nigga Black Mac, MJ fucking G. Sticky dope burning my throat when I take a toke. Choke and crack jokes in the studio with my folks. You know the ropes. Real players don't need a coach. Hit the field, fuck niggas up and get the dough. Spit the flows that make hoes pose without their clothes. Daisy Dukes meet they boots pole in they hole. You know how that shit goes, them streets is in me. Link up and get the time right like Simpty. Empty vocalists tempt me, but I simply go medieval and torture and empty. You know who I be, big balls, solve it all. Serve it all if you think I got no nerve at all. You heard me, dog, like Michael Jack, I'm off the wall. Rappers delight, yours truly signed 8 ball.
What you do, no matter where you go, I'm right behind you, creeping up on your fast. That's why it's so easy to find.
where you hit the stash. But I ain't silly nigga, I took the cash.
Really nigga, blast off, slowly snatch the mask off. It's worth lying for, hope it was worth dying for. I seen you trying to floss in your all black Jetta when I was coming across with my all black Beretta. If you better grip, I'ma mash the shit. And if a nigga lose, I'ma snatch the shit.
I keep hearing rappers crying out, they didn't prepare me. The rap game is like the streets, sometimes it gets scary. Easily replaced by some new niggas. But if we all join forces, made the crew bigger, you can seal it with a kiss, we all be well. Get back in the game and get paid like Spreewell. I can't stop rapping, I guess I'm hooked. So I keep writing rhymes in my rap book. I've been tested, rated, underestimated. Every album I drop is always anticipated. Let me break it down to you, wouldn't lie to you, man. If I told you what I knew, you'd be surviving the game. It's Independence Day, time to start counting every penny. If it's not about my money or my life, you're not my enemy. Tear a nigga's head off for looking at you wrong, but won't touch a little white man for stealing your song.
No matter what you do, no matter where you go, I'm right behind you. Creeping up on your fast, that's why it's so easy to find you. Looking for any reason to roll up and put the shine to your head, so you can remember who you aligned. No matter what you do, no matter where you go, I'm right up on you. Creeping up on your fast, that's why it's too late to warn you. Taking it to your face before you even reach the corner. Too late to warn ya, too late to warn ya.
Dopo tutto e soprattutto, tu cosa ascolti tu? Tu come puoi se non ti ascolti più? Tu dopo tutto e soprattutto, tu cosa ascolti tu? Tu come puoi se non ti ascolti più? Dopo tutto e soprattutto, mi hai detto più volte quel che tu mai non farai. È che dentro quel che rimane ormai ci sta avvisando. È che di quel che rimane ormai nessuno ne va parlando. Ma ti stai ascoltando? È un tempo che non parla se non di differenze distanze tra i nostri due mondi. E chi stai aspettando? È un tempo che non parla se non di quel che rimane a galla nel momento che affondi. Per chi mi confondi, quanti pensi ne regga? Scrivi lettere al mondo, sì ma chi pensi ne legga? È che dentro quel che rimane ormai ci sta avvisando. È che di quel che rimane ormai nessuno ne va parlando. Ma tu, dopo tutto e soprattutto, tu cosa ascolti tu? Tu come puoi se non ti ascolti più? Tu dopo tutto e soprattutto, tu cosa ascolti tu? Tu come puoi se non ti ascolti più?
Ne sono certo, persi in un deserto a cielo aperto. Diserto è ciò che resta di me stesso, tu non l'hai scoperto. Non ascoltavi, il risultato è questo. È ciò che dicevi ci è passato come vento fresco. Presto, facciamo presto, scappiamo da sto posto. Qui mi doppiano i dialoghi, tu navighi, io non ci riesco. A fondo, è colpa mia, lo so, però parlati tutti assieme non va bene, mi confondo. Il mondo non si ascolta più, io e te ne abbiamo fatto le spese. Tu volevi sempre più, io non avevo che pretese. Mese dopo mese, esaurite le sorprese, sono diventato sordo e hai fatto un corso di cinese. Cine prese e chiese sui molti volti sconvolti. Lo so, parlo da solo, e allora chi vuoi che ascolti tu? Che cosa ascolti tu? Ma soprattutto come puoi se non ti ascolti più? E dire che tu dopo tutto avevi tutto per provare il grande salto. Ma il brutto del mio tutto è quel volume troppo alto. È frutto di un bel trucco, no, il succo qui è diverso. E che ognuno nelle cuffie ha tutto tranne che se stesso.
E soprattutto, tu cosa ascolti tu? Tu come puoi se non ti ascolti più? Tu dopo tutto e soprattutto, tu cosa ascolti tu? Tu come puoi se non ti ascolti più? Dopo tutto e soprattutto, tu cosa ascolti tu? Tu come puoi se non ti ascolti più? Tu dopo tutto e soprattutto, tu cosa ascolti tu? Tu come puoi se non ti ascolti più?
life. So let's keep this crowd mingling. Been everywhere like twice. My latest trip been to England. Learn this whole scene from the Grand Boulevard. Peace to Lord Jamar and Nas Escobar. My people crime family, they finally got a chance. Long live Ralph McDaniel and this crazy man Sam. My man Papa O, can I get a suit from Mecca? From the offer from Carhartt, can I get a shirt so I can be fly? I also like a walk-away suit, hey from April. Hit me off in May when I'm heard on Ed and Dre. Scoop Jackson on the late night. New Jersey Wink Night. Honey's from Passaic. My joint, they better play it. Rhyme after rhyme after rhyme after rhyme. Line after line after line after line. Somebody said, did I know my man Kid Capri? I grew up on him and my man Bruce B. The lone mic for high, I'm like the Viking. If shit ain't to my liking, I run and get the axe. It's not that I'm a racist, it's just I'm pro-black. You can't sleep in this here game, cause it's cheesing. There's a million MCs in public housing. A nigga step on your back just to kick a crack. Got the gold ring, the whole thing is like a game. I ain't never been gold, but I got the platinum fame. I like this. Stages and cameras and lights don't affect me. Same on the wax as the same on the street. Stages and cameras and lights don't affect me. Same on the wax as the same on the street. My energetic show is just half of the picture. I'll take your suggestion, no question, and flip it. Add to it, then get bad to it. The music man and I got was hot. I be the pleasure principal. Raining and restraining from bugging out. And lugging out the heavy arms. I'm to rap with Allen Iverson's Georgetown. The truth sayer and the team player. I move, prove and parlay. If I could bone every day, would I go that way? Check it out. At first I'll take a little leap to lead the whole world jump and make the earth shake and expose the fake. This is no coincidence, this was bound to be. Tell the young history is being made. Going backwards, I had a low one, a bully and the fade. Peer pressure, nevertheless, it makes me go all out. Cause I'm out in the street too much, not to be too clutch. Showbiz is my man, no question. Ace hit me off with the head nod, spare the rod. My tunnel vision has my shit on collision with making dough, making investments and stacking up the property. 30 years from now, the young boys will still be propping me as the founding father of the style that niggas ain't even bother to find out. It'll blow your mind out. Mentioned in the circles of royalty, wild cowboys and who my whole loyalty. At the scene of the crime, the pure essence of the rhyme comes out like a dime piece, breaded and shredded. Whack rappers get the guillotine, shouts to my team. The riches, the bitches, and all the fanfares there. But I stay aware just like the black bear. 96 is my year. Stages and cameras and lights don't affect me. Same on the wax as the same on the street. Stages and cameras and lights don't affect me. Same on the wax as the same on the street. What? Africa. Man, Mike, let's go deeper to the phrase. Feel the sun rays off the forehead. Everything is real. Biggie put me on his joint, so I'ma be the big wheel. Watch it spin. Hey dad, place your bet on 7. Peace to 106, 108, 110, 111. Hey Biggie, I understand you're from Brooklyn with 22s in your shoes. Yo, keep the joint.
Well, why not blow up the spot with Sadat? Release the brainstorm to make your motherfucking brain warm. A strange form, something kinda lyrical. Biggie the bastard, Sadat's kinda spiritual. Well, in God we trust, guns I bust. Got that disgusting suicide thumping. And do you know where you're going to? Do you like the things that I bring? Make an MC wanna sing for a living. Check the beat down, we fucking give it. Come on,
come on, motherfuckers, come on. Come on, motherfuckers, come on.
Come on.
Come on, motherfuckers, come on.
Come on.
Come on, motherfuckers, come on.
Come on.
Come on, motherfuckers, come on. Come on, motherfuckers, come on. Come on, motherfuckers, come on. Come on, motherfuckers, come on.
What? Niggas want drama, putting work on my block when I told y'all last week
That shit was too hot. Selling deuces and trays, cuts my dimes. Somebody don't get paid, somebody block gets sprayed. Reaction is delayed as you run down the block. Hot one in your chest, your breath come in spurts. Hey yo, Biggie, tell these niggas I'ma hit them where it hurts. The big city, it don't spare no bodies. Call me Papi Chulo to all the Spanish mommies. I'm about 10 blunts down, drank 3 or 4 stouts, seen 5 fat asses. Pass this bitch with glasses. Yo, money, that's your stock. Yo, Biggs, pass the clock. I'ma tell him it can happen. Don't play me with that rap shit. Life is real, so Biggie, take the steal.
Come on, motherfuckers, come on. Come on, motherfuckers, come on. Come on, motherfuckers, come on.
Motherfuckers,
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 come on, motherfuckers, come on.
I got 7 Mac 11s, about 8 38s, 9 9s, 10 Mac 10s. The shit's never end. You can't touch my riches, even if you had MC Hammer and them 357 bitches. Biggie Smalls, the millionaire, the mansion, the yacht, the 2 weed spots, the 2 hot glocks. That's how I got the weed spot. I shot Dread in the head, took the bread and the lamb spread. Little Gotti got the shotty to your body, so don't resist or you might miss Christmas. I tote guns, I make number runs, I give MCs the runs dripping. When I throw my clip in the AK, I slay from far away. Everybody hit the DECK. My slow flow's remarkable. Peace to Mateo. Now we smoke weed like Tony Montana sniff the yayo. That's crazy blunts, mad L's. My voice excels from the avenue to jail cells. Oh my God, I'm dropping shit like a pigeon. I hope you're listening. Smacking babies at they christening. So you better grab your pistol, cause if you sit still, I'm gonna make your fucking shit spill. And I'm talking about buckets. Why did I have to do it? So Doc said, fuck it. You got a gun, nigga, bust it. Cause I got more shots to pop ya. Big Papa, breaking you off something proper. Signing off is the hardcore rap singer, aka crack slinger. Bring it anytime,
Come
nigga.
on, motherfuckers, come on. Come 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 on, motherfuckers, come on.
Get ready, cause when I start, I'ma rip so hard. The lyrics I create should be barred. Cause I'll be making top 10 hits that rock for real. Like a novel from Daniel Steele. Our God is a funky manifestation that's been rocking from the time of my creation. Cause when I rhyme, I shake the streets of ghettos as I walk with the kings and build with the pharaohs. Collaborate with knowledge, power when making rhymes. Pose questions to the soul, seek answers from the mind. That's why our God is so unique. Always kicking my lingo, yet still not complete. Fan me when they hear me, all those lyrical fakes. Fast is the heartbeat, high is the pulse rate. And when I do my thing, they swear that I'm possessed by the gods. And when I step, I leave mental scars. I'll be a lyrical shrink. I'll take a prognosis and answer observations, give a diagnosis. And in conclusion, the results will be, boy, you got to be crazy to step to our God. I ain't no simple soft sucker sap with 5 cent beats and 2-bit raps. When I flex, feel the wrath of a shakedown. Lyrical breakdown. Get down on your knees or your dome will freeze. I'm causing hard times for sucker MCs. Get down on your knees or your dome will freeze. I'm causing hard times for sucker MCs. Get down on your knees or your dome will freeze. I'm causing hard times for sucker MCs. Get down on your knees or your dome will freeze. I'm causing hard times for sucker MCs. I wear Jimmy hats when I rhyme so I can fuck up MCs. I got them on their hands and knees as I rip through rhymes. You see a powerful black man with the lyrical skill to be the king of the hill or he. I hear whack niggas coming in my sleep, but I don't awake, cause they don't got what it takes to take out the whiz kid, the lyrical mastermind, the man behind the rhyme who wrecks the mic and rocks it at the same time. No one out there could flow with me. I got rhymes so sweet that I be causing you cavities. I'm serving lyrical pain. I watch your sweat drip down like a cold November rain, cause you ain't got no skills. If hip-hop was drugs, I'd be popping crazy pills, putting suckers on pause. They all fear me, I'm the modern day rebel without a cause. I make a brick wall look small, not cause I'm tall, because I make suckers fall when I step with my rep as a microphone outlaw. Not even Billy the Kid can do what I did, or what's about to be done. And you know what? I've only just begun. So get out of my path, or be that whack MC who gotta feel the God's wrath. Get down on your knees, or your dome will freeze. I'm causing hard times for sucker MCs. Get down on your knees, or your dome will freeze. I'm causing hard times for sucker MCs. Get down on your knees, or your dome will freeze. I'm causing hard times for sucker MCs. Get down on your knees, or your dome will freeze. I'm causing hard times for sucker MCs. I get wrecked when I rip around, I roll like a lion or a tiger, you pussycat. I hear you squeal like a rat. You see me? I'm that nigga who makes a lot of mad hits. You soon heard her get props like I was charged for murder. When I step in, the crowd goes crazy, they jump and wail. Get rid of suckers like a Leon's clearance sale. Cause I'm in full effect. When it comes to wrecking shop, I bust around the shops, it's wrecked. Cause I'm a big game player, whack MC Slayer. You entering my hoods like entering the Dragon Slayer. You panic as soon as I'm the trips on the stage, your eyes open. Why? Because your mind was a miracle. Don't sweat it, just let your body get in the groove and listen out, nigga.
Digging in the crate.
Think it's how I got my whole clique to sound. Think it's how it gets down from town to town. If you didn't know, this clique can't be touched. If your clique ain't think you ain't with us.
We on a world tour with midnight marauders and such. I'm at the table like the Godfather smoking a Dutch, controlling the bucks. I roll with enough that I blow in the clutch. Not only holding we bust the fat rap, so pass that and let me hit it. Got me gas, black skins was mad fat. She flipped it, Bronx is a whip wit that I rip. Studios get blown from D&D to Mystic with this shit. I'll bomb the nation from a distance. The jewel, gotta have patience plus persistence. We rock, blast like rock. Birds waiting for bottles to pop. In the condo, models that rock. To sum up my career from bottom to top. Now we in the thick of it, and you don't stop.
Think it's how I got my whole clique to sound. Think it's how it gets down from town to town. If you didn't know, this clique can't be touched. If your clique ain't think you ain't.
Check it, I be puffing blunts in the house, sex and stunts on the couch. This year, a lot of frauds might be punched in their mouth. And when your wife see me, she don't know how to act. So don't be mad when I blow out her back. For real, your whole team a bunch of pool putts who made a few bucks, shade a few sluts. Then y'all started running your lips a little too much. My whole crew wow, Snickers new now. We go to clubs, hit the bar and trick 2,000. Other MCs ain't got a chance at all. Cause Big L Coleon is too advanced for y'all. Chicks can never walk away cause they like the sex. Flamboyant is the label that writes the checks. I'm a pimped out that walk with kings, talk with slang, who ball from New York to Spain. Haters E-N-V-Y me, B-I-G, cause I'm VIP till I D-I-E. What?
Think it's how I got my whole clique to sound. Think it's how it gets down from town to town. If you didn't know, this clique can't be touched. If your clique ain't think you ain't f***ing with us. Think it's how I got my whole clique to sound. Think it's how it gets down from town to town. If you didn't know, this clique can't be touched. If your clique ain't think you ain't f***ing with us.
I spark light with the pen, drink OJ with gin, rock Timbs with my laces untied. Cruising the city on 17 inches, ride past winters, past the projects, thugs chilling on the benches. Profile low as if I had an ill vengeance. Life on earth is just a death sentence. Alpha Omega, arm legger, arm with cold steel if you pose a threat to my nature. D-I-double-G-I-N, I-N-T-H-E, Craze Lodge times 10. Dive in, become a part of a cliche, the art of an expert. Your honor from New York to Florida, chicks rush the corridors, try to star with us. Besides rolling dick, my whole crew be marvelous.
Think it's how I got my whole clique to sound. Think it's how it gets down from town to town. If you didn't know, this clique can't be touched. If your clique ain't think you ain't f***ing with us. Think it's how I got my whole clique to sound. Think it's how it gets down from town to town. If you didn't know, this clique can't be touched. If your clique ain't think you ain't f***ing with us.
Worldwide, time to handle our bitch. Down with the group called digging in the crate. Worldwide, time to handle our bitch. Down with the group called digging in the crate. Worldwide.
Cuanta más verdad hay que rimar para que un animal entienda que me sabe mierda tus prendas y no me aportas nada. No puedes parar con riendas ni cuerdas para amarrar. La voz que solo gobierna acá, ni menos ni más. Never lie, never look back, just I got hip hop habilidad que ni con tu el oro puedes comprar. Esto es realidad, hardcore, I'm lyrical, narco. Busca respeto en el diccionario y verás mi retrato. Maldad indiscutible en sonrisa adorable. Tus rimas predecibles todas es mejor que ni hables. Tus incontables temas ninguno impresiona. Yo en cambio hablo un solo idioma pa' no dejar el mundo en coma. Strength from zona, con aroma a muerte, aunque mi corazón es fuerte y no doy lástima a la gente, nah. Yo canto lo aprendido, no lo que he sufrido, para que un hijo de puta venga a decirme que no he vivido. It's real life, from where you're from, son. No tengo que hablar de pistolón, bro. El hampa seria se desplaza a paso en tigre y si matan no amenaza. It's real life, from where you're from, son. No tengo que hablar de pistolón, bro. El hampa seria se desplaza a paso en tigre y si matan no amenaza.
Vivo mi real life en aroneras ni falanai. Escribo en línea la historia de Maracay, ¿sabes? Ya me cansé de escuchar tus cuentos de atraco. Me subo a la tarima y es cuando empieza el asalto. He recorrido el asfalto y sus encantos. Me enamoré del hip hop y lo traduje en canto. Without a gun, I only sing my song. I'm from where you're from, but you don't run the way I flow. Tú solo piensas en hacer lo que hace un gangsta. Cosa real gangsta no anda pensando en cantar, ya. Reconoce que no sobra lo que te falta. Coja consejo, queje quieto y échese pa' allá.
It's real life, from where you're from, son. No tengo que hablar de pistolón, bro. El hampa seria se desplaza a paso en tigre y si matan no amenaza. It's real life, from where you're from, son. No tengo que hablar de pistolón, bro. El hampa seria se desplaza a paso en tigre y si matan no amenaza. No mezcles este tema, nigga. Quiero que suene unders. Dedicated para los haters que hablan y se esconden. Que no conforme con mencionar nuestros nombres, solo se sienten hombres. Apadrina por el reporte. Ustedes son prostitutas, man. We all clásicos. No se puede evolucionar sin pasar por lo básico. Irónico que más que te hace mucha pendeja. Pueden callar muchos discos que no dicen nada. It's real life, from where you're from, son. You know we gotta be the bomb, Skin King, Super. You don't really know who we are. You're supposed that.
Sound rap, yo. Show y'all how to expose the sound.
Spit on the cat, what? Like what?
Yo, at ease, back where you supposed to be. P put it back where it's supposed to be. Supposedly, coming close to me. Trash rap, can't fuck with D. Exalted, affluent lifestyle, I kick calm. That make your loudest rap wanna honk. Don't be alarmed when the gun bang. It's only natural for my dogs to hurt something. Cop a squat though, you might learn something. We giving out back braces and arm slings. Reality rap, the only song I sing. Nothing fugazi, strictly the real thing. Live in the flesh, my fresh out the bin. When I see you done, new money ain't a thing. You can catch me in the clique in the spot every day. Nori Guzzle, Chris, I down Chardonnay. Pardon me before you get knocked out the way. Every day it's like a title fight take place. Hey yo, Nas, what do you say? Hey yo, Noy, tell Manny P to pass me the shank. I think it's time to take him to the hood, let's play. S.A., I like it when it get that way. So what you rap done?
I rap when burst, and everybody on the block bump done. So what you rap done?
The infamous QB houses, but you can stand out all night and make thousands. What you rap?
I rap when get buried. Every fight dirty and stay hungry. So what you rap done?
QB, we like to blow faces and pop slugs in your illest rib cage.
Stick it to you. Black magic like voodoo. You can't f with us, cause I cat straight doodoo. I'm from Iraq, home of the snakes. They ain't got love for the jakes. Do whatever it takes. Climbing down terraces and the fire escapes. Yo, we move money, money move me. Yo, I'm usually living it up. Getting my suck. Bone in the butt, make her say what, say what, what.
No talk, do you speak the same language? For your sake, I hope so, let's rap a taste, yo. My spit like a retard and plus boss. I drool for the day, man, you can face off, it gets gangster. When my clique step in the room, we blow torches and celebrate good fortune. This is for my sons who rest in coffins. I wish I was here, so what you rap done?
I rap when burst, and everybody on the block bump done. So what you rap done?
The infamous QB houses, but you can stand out all night and make thousands. What you rap?
I rap when get buried. Every fight dirty and stay hungry. So what you rap done?
QB, we like to blow faces and pop slugs in your illest rib cage.
Yo, what the dilly P? I rap can buy QB. And you know we smashed the industry negatively. So f*** a good boy, I always been a foul hood boy. Yo, as a youth I had wingworms and all that shit. Your little dirt bomb, throwing dirt at your clique. Cause me and Ak now ain't pack no bags. We rather be in the streets, selling yellow masks. Cause where we from, yo, the game don't stop. Or we was out thugging, yo, we had chicken pox. Me, Moose, Maze, Outlaw, Final Chapter Brigades. It definitely get real on stage. I ain't the mad rapper, but I'm mad at rap. It's selling records, yo, acting like they clap. Cause me and P get money like LSD. Why them cats small chains like an ES3? Yo, I'm still the same cat that I used to be. Often I'm on tour with my rosary, coasting, always hit 'em with the Doug Potion. Look at you now you just full emotion. Wankster hype, my people's like the gangster type. Queens like a shoot, ain't afraid to fight. Why y'all wear pampers like the cradle type? Mainly hype, thugged out, shine with light.
So what you rap done?
It's murder, she writes. Lyrical compositions or scriptures when I flow, it's like the H2O. You know that frozen water ammo? I be that superhero with superhuman powers. I rain in medium metro showers, sporting Eddie Bowers. I give MCs rigor mortis of the mouthpiece. Mystique, I make weak artists deceased, to say the least. You've been had, hoodwinked, bamboozled even from the heathen that be leaving niggas speechless in New York and even in the peaches of Atlanta, GA. And may I say that ooh yeah, Nina could test me. I be Ivy with lyrical style like Wiley, Coyote. Don't quote me, just note me and vote me. And lyrical elections like C-sections and strong affections. I break hearts like Pop-Tarts, yo, and name erections. I write verses like black hearses. I take blood like nurses' curses. I snatch bread with purses like the worst styles of murder. It's murder, she writes. Now who's the ghetto chick that'll bring it to your borough? Thorough. What? Niggas fall in love like I was thorough. The Bojack, bring it back, nigga, fuck that. Now everybody cock your gas, that rapping bitch is back. Undergoing pressure, son, heavily, steadily. You want the melody? What the fuck I be? About to run up in your cypher, smash your style and laugh. Hungrier than 10 niggas with verses in one track. Move it the fuck back before I put the ass in crack. First chick to ever put dick on the map. Eve had a bad back, fuck her act, let's stack. Dollars for the 200 meeting with Shapiro's. Nasty like Nas, lyrics wet you like blowjobs. You bum ass bitches can't even fuck with my worst lyrics. Understand, when I'm throwing it down, man, even sound scan can't trace my fans. And styles of murder. It's murder, she writes. Styles of murder. It's murder, she writes. No disrespect, but my erect dialect puts chicken heads in check with lyrical orgasms that I inject. Expect that I be true, I bury more than Drew. We're more crew than Stu and more clan than the Brooklyn Zoo. And no dirty bitch with cyber skeptics. Like Corusceptic, I get hectic in the throat piece and give seizures that's epileptic. I'm mob squad with a mutant world style like Don D. Quixote. I get biz and flow like the monthly. A lyrical guru with a cramp written voodoo. Mystique has more dimensions than a Rubik's Cube, that's how I do. I got more fams than Morticia and Gomez. More skills than Felipe Lopez. Babalu the Desi on that. Vicious militia and constant mass hysteria is on the interior. Cause you're inferior to my lingual cafeteria. Yeah, what? Inferior to my lingual cafeteria. Styles of murder. It's murder, she writes. Styles of murder. It's murder, she writes.
I got a feeling the next time we run into each other, we're gonna have a killing.
Yo, 225 nič, DJ Jurassic, Peter, MC Floor, Šahmat. Let's go. Pravijo vsi, da slab sem igralec, film se mi odvija, jaz edini sem gledalec. Gor na bit se vržem kot padalec. Sistemu nisem talec, ker sem z glavo že predaleč. Tavam po vesolju, čakam na svoj padec, da vidim tu realnost, direkt dobim udarec. Zunaj že poletje, a še vedno čutim marec. Treba prebuditi se, da premagam ta klanec. Za ene kriminalec, za druge sem normalen. Delam se po malem, da si časa ne ukradem. Usodni dan je lahko blizu, ki je nenavaden. Samo trenutek loči, da zavedno si pozabljen. Nočem biti nesramen, samo sem realen. Če me nočeš videti, niti mi ne hodi zraven. Ne da se mi obadati sranjen, samo mi je glavno, da sem sebi se dokažem. Drugi naj me pljuva, ko za hrbet sem postavljen. Družbi lažno bil predstavljen, jaz ne vračam zmaščevanje. Ni iz kroga si odstranjen, preteklosti pozabljen. In tudi če te zunaj vidim, vedno boš pozdravljen. Samo ne za spoštovanjem, to je moja dobra volja, ki prodreve vsa okolja. Skozi tretje oko gor gledam v nove solja. Poteze ti predvidim, ko dol gledam ti na polja. B2, D3, šahmat, oba. Šahmat, oba. Šahmat, oba.
Ja, kaj zdaj? Premakni kmeta, pa naredi rušado, razen če si konj. Ali pa premakni takača. Udej, runca že ogača.
Premik figure nove runde, razmišljam o potezi, dokler nisem siguren, nikoli utrujen in vedno pogumen. Skozi live si osebno soblikujem, neprestano dopolnjujem, svoj tempo narekujem. Na tej dolgi poti, ki jo raziskujem, prepuščen sam sebi, ko v neznano not potujem. Se od doma oddaljujem, ker se cilju približujem. Na odprtem morju plujem, vso modrosti zapisujem, ko v globino pogledujem. O lifeu premišljujem, kam peljejo valovi, kam vodijo tokovi. Folk pride in gre, jaz ostajem sam v sobi, pogovor teče z zidovi, odmevajo glasovi, not v glavi hodim jim nasproti. Korak za korakom, vogal za vogalom, znajdem se pred ogledalom, gledam, kaj iz mene je nastalo. Eni rekli bi budalo, drugi prime se za glavo, tretji da mi roko in pravi, da letim visoko. Pišem svojo zgodbo, pripravljen sem na borbo, to si vedno bom ponovil. Tudi če bom komaj hodil, diho gledal zadnjim detektivom skozi glavo strelo. Ne predam se, dok mi life pa ne bo celo. Moje lirike se bo pelo, ker vsako moje delo povzroči, da na nebo vidi strelo. Tvori se na vih, tako klor za majkon spita, zbrana elita, svet premika. Zaradi tega ritma na šahovnici predstavljam, ki ga studio se trese. Zvočnik raznese, kadar pridem do besede, bil sem samo kmet. Zdaj prišel sem med zvezde, sem vladar v svoje svetu, ko vesanje me ponese, tam se tvori dobra volja, ki prodreve vsa okolja. Skozi tretje oko gor gledam v nove solja, poteze ti predvidim, ko dol gledam ti na polja. F2, H3, šahmat, oba.
1, 2, 3. Now I woke up early this morning and I went to the 5 and dime. I saw these two MCs, they wanted to wine and dine. They tapped me on the shoulder and they said, excuse me ma'am, and say they're from the city, but I don't give a damn. Gucci, you're through. Gucci, you're through. Now you walk me to my house and you open up the door, and the reason why I brought you there's to clean up the floor. So you push me on the bed, and boy, you can bet you both got on your knees and got your tongue wet. So you grabbed me by my thighs and you moved up truly. You both jump up and said, can we grab your booty? Don't grab my booty, cause I won't grab you. Don't grab my booty, cause it's not the thing to do. Gucci, you're through. Gucci, you're through. So you ran out the house, cause you had enough to eat. Grab the toothpick and clean out your teeth. TFS and CV, I know you want more. When you come back to my house, you better make sure. Gucci, you're through. Gucci, you're through. Gucci is the crew that likes to play, and if you want what I have, Gucci is okay. They'll come to your house every day of the week, even at night, cause it's you they wanna eat. Gucci wants a girl they can call their own, but they can never make a call cause they don't have a phone. Disco Rick, you better teach them cause they need to be taught.
Never try me again when the thing is too short. Gucci, you're through. Wait, break. That girl, that girl, Sally, that girl, that girl, Sally, that girl, Sally, Wait a second, sucker niggers, don't come back till you think it's that girl,